If your GCash game isn't opening and you're stuck on the loading screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and proven way to fix it so you can get back to playing right away. Stay with me till the end because I'll cover every step you need to try, and missing even one could leave the problem unsolved. The most common reason the GCash game won't open is a simple cache glitch, and clearing it usually solves the issue instantly. Here's how to do it, step by step. First, open your phone's settings and scroll down to find Apps or Application Manager. Locate GCache in the list and tap on it. Now, go to Storage and hit Clear Cache. Once that's done, go back one step and tap Force Stop to fully close the app. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, it just refreshes the app. Next, we want to make sure you're running the latest version of GCache. Head over to the Play Store or App Store, search for GCache, and hit Update if one is available. Finally, restart your phone. This clears out any leftover temporary glitches and gives you a clean start. Most users find that after doing these three things, clearing cache, updating the app, and restarting their device, the GCache game opens smoothly without any issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the problem, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any other GCache issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.